Detoxifying your lungs is an important step in maintaining good respiratory health. Our lungs are constantly being exposed to the pollutants and toxins from the air we breathe to the products we use, and it's important to take steps to cleanse and protect them. One of the most effective ways to detoxify your lung is to quit smoking. Smoking is the leading cause of lung disease, and quitting can greatly reduce your risk of developing lung cancer and other lung conditions. If you are having trouble quitting, consider seeking help from a smoking cessation program or a healthcare professional. Improving the air quality in your home is another important step in lung detoxification. This can be done by using air purifiers, keeping your home well ventilated, and avoiding products that contain harsh chemicals and toxins. Consider using natural cleaning products and avoiding synthetic fragrances, which can aggravate respiratory issues. Regular exercise is also important for lung health. Exercises help to improve lung function and increase lung capacity. This can be as simple as taking a brisk walk or jogging outdoors, or even doing some simple stretching and breathing exercises at home. Yoga is a great option as they focus on breathing techniques. They can help to cleanse the lungs. Certain foods and herbs also support lung health. Incorporate foods high in antioxidants such as fruits and vegetables, as well as herbs like ginger, turmeric, are best included in your diet. These natural remedies can help to reduce inflammation and boost the immune system, which can in turn benefit the lung. When you consider trying relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, yoga, or meditation, these can help to reduce stress and improve overall lung function. Deep breathing exercises in particular can help to increase the amount of oxygen in the body, which can help to detoxify the lung. In conclusion, detoxifying your lungs is an important step in maintaining good respiratory health. By following these simple tips and making a few changes in your lifestyle, you can improve health of your lungs and breathing area. Remember to consult your doctor before starting any new diet or exercise, especially if you have any underlying health condition.